In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manually add a contact to Clickfunnels. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to click, what information to enter, and how to save a new contact so it's ready to use in your funnels, broadcasts, and automations. First, make sure you're logged into your Clickfunnels account and that you're on the main dashboard. From here, look over to the left-hand side of your screen. You'll see a vertical menu with different sections. In that sidebar, find and click on the option labeled Contacts. This is where all your leads, customers, and subscribers are stored and managed. Once you're inside the Contacts area, take a look toward the top right corner of the page. You should see a button that says Create Contact. Go ahead and click that. This is the starting point for adding someone manually, without them needing to go through a funnel or an opt-in form. After you click that button, a form will appear where you can enter the person's details. At a minimum, you want to fill in the first name, last name, and email address. Take a moment to type those in carefully, since the email is usually how Clickfunnels identifies and communicates with that contact. Double-check spelling, especially the email domain, to avoid issues later with sending messages or tracking behavior. If you have the information handy, it's a good habit to be consistent with how you enter names. For example, use capital letters for the first letter of the first and last name, so your messages and personalization tags look clean and professional when you send emails or display dynamic content. Once you've entered the first name, last name, and email, review the information one more time to make sure everything looks correct. When you're ready to save this new contact, click the Create Contact button on the form. Clickfunnels will process that and add the person to your contact list. After the contact is created, you'll be able to see their profile, and from there you can start attaching them to specific funnels, tags, or follow-up sequences, depending on how you organize your account. But the core process is exactly what we just covered. Go to Contacts in the left sidebar, click Create Contact in the top right, enter the key details, and then click Create Contact to save.